Here we have a ball rolling down a hill, and we're going to make the attempt to solve this problem. This ball rolling down the hill accelerates from one speed to another over a certain distance. How much time does it take the ball to travel this far? The first thing we always want to do in problems is set up the information that the problem gives us in a nice format. We start at a certain velocity. We'll call this the initial velocity of 12.8 meters per second. We speed up to 32.1 meters per second, and that's the VF, final velocity. It happens over a 411 meter distance, 411 meter, that's our displacement. And the problem's asked you to find how much time, what time period does this happen over. So I go ahead and I write delta t, time period, and I put a question mark there, because that's what we're looking for. Next step after we've allocated our information is we always need to find an equation that has the variables that we need as well as the one which we want to find out. I've already copied this down. This could just be any one of your four kinematic equations. In this case, it's this one here. So let's take this, cut it, and bring it up top where we need it. It should work for us. And a little bit higher. I'll bring it up here. There we go. Alright, now we need to take this equation and solve it for delta t. Delta t is being multiplied by all the stuff here, so we're just going to divide it away. 1/2 times VF plus VI. Over here we do the same thing. 1/2 VF, oop, don't forget the brackets, plus VI. Alright, cancels away, and these cancel away. On the right, all we're left with is delta t equals, on the left, delta x divided by all this stuff here, 1/2 VF plus VI. Alright, there we go. Alright, now that we have the equation, now that we have our numbers, we can take these numbers here, plug them into our equation. Our delta t is equal to delta x, 411, we have 1/2. I like to rewrite 1/2 as 0.5. It's easier when you start thinking about plugging numbers into a calculator. Times the quantity, VF, 32.1, plus VI, 12.8, and these are both in meters per second. Alright, now to work this out, we need a little bit in our head. 32.1 plus 12.8, 44.9. 44.9. We still have the 0.5. And the 411 on top. Don't forget units, there are the meters. And the meters per second. Alright, now this is nothing but numbers. We can take this, put it into a calculator. 411 divided by 0.5 divided by 44.9. 44.9. Now notice I put division twice. Anything on top, you multiply. Anything on bottom, you divide. So even though these two look like they're being multiplied there, in the calculator to put this in, you need to say this number divided by this number divided by this number. And that will give us our answer of 18.3. 18.3. Good. And our units will be meters divided by meters per second, which comes out to seconds. Were we looking for a time? Yes, we were. So our answer comes out to 18.3 seconds. 18.3 seconds. Voila.